So unfortunately, I do not need to ask you how are you doing, because you have most likely again some problems with your lower back, and you've tried stretching, passive stretching, and maybe you got the advice from a physiotherapist or other to do a bit of yoga to open it up, but it doesn't really help. It doesn't help you with your lower back issues. So what you will get from me in this video is I will give you an explanation of why passive stretching is not helping and is making things actually worse. Second, I will give you a framework looking at the body with a fascia perspective, using myofascial releases and a bit of movement in order to release your back. So without further ado, let's get started. So why am I telling you to skip passive stretching? Let's say that a muscle here has an attachment around the joint in order for my arm to move up. When, let's say, this muscle has a lot of trigger points, the fascia is dehydrated. What you will do by trying to stretch out, feeling a tension around it, stretch out your arm, will not stretch the dehydrated or the tight muscle or trigger points, but it will stretch out the connective tissue. And this connective tissue will help stabilize the joint and bring more strength as well around the joint. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing, now we're talking about the lower back and back. I'm sure you've done this pigeon stretching when you put the leg in front of you to try to stretch out this area in the back. This one, especially the head of the femur, has a lot of different ligaments, and the job of the ligaments is to stabilize the pelvis and the hip joints by trying to be aggressive and going to certain ranges of motion or mobility exercises where we could not even in a normal life being able to lift or go into these ranges of motion without having an external point pushing us, will have a really negative impact on you. Try to feel when you do your stretching, do you feel stable? Do you feel grounded? Do you feel solid after doing this passive stretching? Most likely no. So what I would recommend you instead is using myofascial releases around the hip area, the buttock, and this will be a good start for your lower back. Okay, I'm not saying this is going to fix it. No, I said this is going to be a good start. And this will be linked in the description below. You will see 2 or 3 videos. I'm not sure how many I will put, but a few videos for you to start working on it and pushing slowly with the passive stretching. So I hope these videos help you to understand a bit more what is possible to do and the impact of passive stretching on the body. Okay, so stay strong, stay stable, and stay grounded. And have a look and try the myofascial release. Honestly, you won't be disappointed. This is a game changer for a lot of people that haven't tried it before. Until then, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And if this video was good and you like the channel and you like my face as well, you want to see me more and want to support me, I've put a link in the description below the video for you to maybe buy me a coffee or support the channel. Keep it up. See you later.